Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got our 2020 to current L5P Duramax Stage 2 High Flow Intake Kit. So what we have here is a gloss white 2020 to current model year L5P Stage 2 Intake Kit. What we've done for the Stage 2 kit is combined our 3.5-inch high flow intake horn along with our 4-inch intake kit together in one package to save you a little bit of money versus buying them separate. So first and foremost, on the 2020 model, you'll see here we have our large aluminum fabricated TIG welded airbox assembly. The lid fastened on with 4 screws to be able to access and service your air filter. The box is open to the fender for additional airflow. It does connect to the ram air duct that comes through the grill through the front, has that factory style connection. And we also incorporate the connection on the top side of the airbox with our double bulb seal, which connects to the bottom side of the hood for the ram air that comes through the hood. So we're bringing in air all the same spots as factory with good sealed connections. And in addition to that, we do open up the side to the fender for additional airflow. Coming out of the airbox, we connect to our 4-inch mandrel bent aluminum intake pipe, strategically located mass airflow sensor. Gone through a lot of testing and validating both on the flow bench and on the dyno to get these mass airflow sensors in the proper location so that you don't throw engine lights or have any drivability issues. End of that intake pipe obviously has our 4-inch dry high flow air filter on it. Our high flow air filters come with a water repellent air filter cover. These covers work great to keep large debris from clogging up the pleats of the filter. Being a dry unit, they are a disposable, replaceable style unit. A couple uses, blow them out with compressed air, but after a certain amount of miles, it is a replaceable style air filter. We do have the rubber edge trim, which mounts to the airbox to keep the 4-inch pipe from rubbing along the airbox. The 4-inch intake pipe connects to our 3.5-inch intake horn via silicone hump boot with stainless steel T-bolt clamps. The high flow intake horn for the L5P is a pretty tremendous upgrade over the factory plastic component. The factory part is just under 2.5 inches in diameter. Our pipe being 3.5 with a surge ring designed into the flange to help eliminate turbo surge. That intake horn connects to the turbocharger with an O-ring seal as well as supplied studs and nuts. So that wraps up our Stage 2 high flow intake kit for the 2020 to current L5P. Like all WCFab products, we've got a lot of colors to pick from, 35 standard colors on the website, and for an additional upcharge, you've got thousands of colors to pick from to really customize the underhood of your truck. If you got any other questions about our L5P product or any other product, feel free to contact our sales team, sales@WCFab.com, or give us a call, leave a comment below. I'm Jason Wehrli. Thanks a lot for watching.